Okay guys, so it comes just like this. Your cat or dog. Let's get it open and check it out. Okay, so this is the brush. Soft, feels nice. They're a little turnt. See that? Okay, get the hair out. You'll push it just like this, and you'll be all set. So I will try it out. Alright, so basically I will start combing my cat hair just like this and just keep on going. Let me check. I've been combing it every night, so it looks pretty clean still. So I'm gonna keep on going for approximately maybe 5 to 10 minutes to make sure I get under the belly area, on top of the head, and stuff like that. Very nice. So let me keep on going. Okay, so approximately like 10 minutes, you can see that it did get a lot. All you have to do is push the button and the hair get pushed up. Look at that. It cleans very good. Love the brush. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Crazy.